The F7MINI 8K photo drone by Bwine stands out with its lightweight design, weighing under 249 grams, which allows users to fly without needing FAA registration. Equipped with a Japanese imported half-inch CMOS sensor and f1.8 aperture lenses, this drone captures breathtaking 8,000 by 6,000 pixel photos, offering an impressive perspective with its 90-degree wide angle. With its advanced 3-axis brushless gimbal and robust brushless motors, the drone maintains stability even in winds up to 31 miles per hour, ensuring clear and stunning aerial shots. The drone's proprietary digital transmission system extends its control range up to 20,000 feet, providing stable and real-time video transmission even in urban environments. Users can enjoy up to 96 minutes of flight time thanks to the triple high-density batteries, significantly outlasting the industry average and easing any flight duration concerns. Featuring intelligent GPS capabilities, the F7MINI offers user-friendly features such as cruise control, ActiveTrack, and waypoint navigation, making it suitable for both beginners and seasoned drone enthusiasts.